Hey friends, look at these tiny veggies. They may be small, but they're full of power. Let's go find some fun beans and pods. Ready to look and play? Let's go!
Want to bring our lesson into your home? You can grab a free printable starter kit in the description below to practice at home.
I'm green beans. I'm long, skinny, and full of fiber.
Let's go see some green beans. Come on! Hey, look at these long green ones. These are green beans. Can you say green beans? They're long and a little crunchy. Green beans help your body grow strong. Let's take a bite. Crunch! Can you find the green beans? Point to them. Yay! You found them! Great job! Green beans help you grow healthy and strong.
I'm peas. We are tiny green balls that give you big power to play.
Let's go find some peas. These tiny green balls are peas. Peas. Can you say peas? They're small, soft, and easy to eat. Peas are great for little learners like you. Let's try one. Pop! Yum! Can you find the peas? Point to them. Awesome! You found them! Peas help your body grow strong and healthy.
I'm snow peas. I'm flat and crunchy. And you can eat my whole pod.
Let's go see snow peas. Look, these flat pods are snow peas. Snow peas. Can you say snow peas? You can eat the whole pod. So fun! They're light and crunchy. Let's take a bite. Crunch! Where are the snow peas? Show me. Nice! You found them! Snow peas help you stay healthy and strong.
I'm peanut. I grow underground like a secret treasure and give you protein power.
Let's go see a peanut. Come on! Look, this is a peanut. Peanut. Can you say peanut? It grows under the ground. So cool! Let's pretend to dig. Dig, dig. Let's take a bite. Crunch. Yum! Can you find the peanut? Point to it. Yay! You found it! Is it small or big? Tell me. Peanuts help your body stay strong and healthy.
Hi there, I'm edamame. I'm a fuzzy green pod with protein-packed beans inside.
Let's go see edamame. Look! These little beans are inside a pod. This is edamame. Edamame. Can you say edamame? We pop them out. Pop, pop. Edamame is fun to eat and full of goodness. Let's try one. Yum! Where's the edamame? Show me. Yes, you found it. Edamame helps your body grow strong.
I'm lima bean. I'm big and buttery, helping your body grow strong.
Let's go find lima beans. Look, these are lima beans. Lima beans. Can you say lima beans? They're soft and smooth. Beans like these help your body stay strong. Let's take a bite. Yum! Can you find the lima beans? Point to them. Nice work! They help you grow healthy and strong.
I'm Kidney Bean. My deep red color gives you iron to be super brave.
Let's go see kidney beans. Look at their shape. These are kidney beans. Kidney beans. Can you say kidney beans? They're red and shaped like little kidneys. Beans give your body energy and strength. Let's try a bite. Chomp! Where are the kidney beans? Show me. Great job! You found them. They help you stay strong and healthy.
I'm Black Bean. I'm small and shiny, and I'm a superhero for your brain.
Let's go find black beans. Look, these tiny dark ones are black beans. Can you say black beans? They're small but full of power. Beans help build a strong body. Let's take a bite. Yum! Can you point to the black beans? You got it! Black beans help you grow strong and healthy.
I'm chickpeas. I look like a tiny bird. And to help your muscles grow.
Let's go see chickpeas. Look, these round ones are chickpeas. Chickpeas. Can you say chickpeas? They're soft and a little nutty. They're used to make yummy foods like dips. Let's try a bite. Yum! Where are the chickpeas? Show me. Awesome! You found them! They help your body stay healthy and strong.
I'm Lentils. We are tiny but mighty, full of energy for your big adventures.
Let's go find lentils. Look, these tiny little beans are lentils. Can you say lentils? They're very small, but super healthy. Tiny foods can be powerful too. Let's try a bite. Yum! Can you find the lentils? Point to them. Great job! Lentils help you grow big, strong, and healthy.
I'm Onion. I add a special flavor to your food and keep your body healthy.
Let's go see a real onion. Come on. Hey, look at this round one. This is an onion. Onion. Can you say onion? When we cut it, sometimes it makes us cry, but it makes food taste so yummy. Let's pretend to take a bite. Can you find the onion? Point to it. Yay, you found it! Great job! Onions help make your food delicious and healthy.
I'm Red Onion. I'm crunchy and bright, and I help your heart stay strong.
Come with me. Let's look at a red onion. Wow, look at that color. This is a red onion. Red onion. Can you say red onion? It's purple on the outside and crunchy inside. Colorful veggies are good for your body. Let's try a tiny bite. Crunch! Where's the red onion? Show me. Nice! You found it! Red onions help you grow strong and healthy.
I'm Garlic. I'm small but brave.
Let's go find garlic. Look, these little pieces are garlic. Garlic. Can you say garlic? It smells strong. Whoa! Garlic helps make food taste amazing. Let's pretend to try a tiny bit. Can you find the garlic? Point to it. Great job! You found it! Garlic helps your body stay strong and healthy.
I'm Leek. I'm tall and sweet, and I make your soups taste delicious.
Let's go see a leek. Look at this long veggie. This is a leek. Leek. Can you say leek? It's soft and mild in flavor. Leeks make soups taste warm and yummy. Let's try a little bite. Yum! Where's the leek? Show me. You found it! Awesome! Leeks help your body grow strong.
I'm scallions. I'm zesty and fresh. Perfect for sprinkling on your favorite meal.
Come on, let's find scallions. These long green ones are scallions. Can you say scallions? They're also called green onions. They add a fresh taste to food. Can you point to the scallions? Nice work, you found them. They help keep your body healthy and strong.
I'm chives. I look like tall grass and add a tiny pop of flavor to your plate.
Let's go see chives. Look, these thin green sticks are chives. Chives. Can you say chives? They're tiny but full of flavor. Even small veggies can be powerful. Where are the chives? Show me. Great job! Chives help you grow healthy and strong.
I'm ginger. I'm warm and spicy.
Let's go find ginger. Look at this funny shape. This is ginger. Ginger. Can you say ginger? It smells warm and spicy. Ginger helps your tummy feel good. Let's pretend to taste it. Can you find the ginger? Point to it. Yes, you found it. Ginger helps your body stay healthy.
I'm fennel. I smell like sweet licorice and help your digestion feel good.
Let's go see fennel. Look at this bulb shape. This is fennel. Fennel. Can you say fennel? It smells a little like licorice. Sweet and fresh. Trying new smells and tastes is fun. Where's the fennel? Show me. Nice! You found it. Fennel helps your body grow strong and healthy.
I'm celery. I'm super crunchy and full of water to keep you hydrated.
Let's go find celery. Look, these long sticks are celery. Can you say celery? Celery? Listen, crunch. Crunch, so crispy. Celery is fresh and fun to eat. Let's take a bite. Crunch. Can you find the celery? Point to it. Great job! Celery helps keep your body healthy and strong.
I'm turmeric. I'm bright orange inside and help your body feel strong and healthy.
Let's go see turmeric. Wow, look at that bright yellow color. This is turmeric. Turmeric. Can you say turmeric? It can color food yellow. So cool. Spices like this help your body stay healthy. Where's the turmeric? Show me. You found it! Awesome! Turmeric helps you grow strong and healthy. Wow, you found so many little beans! Small veggies can help you grow big and strong. Next time you see one, will you try a little bite? Let's go find more veggies.
Great job today! Tap the link below to get your free printable kit. Download, print, and keep the learning going.